Here are the installation steps for the 2-in-1 panels bonded with adhesive. Begin the installation by applying a bead of adhesive on the field surface. Place the 2-in-1 panels on the adhesive, aligning the end laps. Remove the silicone films on the side lap joints. Adhere the first part of the self-adhesive side laps of the Duo salvage technology. Seal the last part of the side laps of the Duo salvage with an automatic hot air welder. Apply the primer to the end lap joints using a roller. The installation of the self-adhesive cover strips must be done as quickly as possible as soon as the primer is dry and no later than 2 to 3 hours after its application. Install a self-adhesive cover strip centered on the end lap joints and remove the silicone film. Apply pressure to the whole surface with the membrane roller to ensure complete and uniform adherence. Note that when the self-adhesive cover strip is not installed the same day as the cap sheet membranes on the field surface, the side laps of the self-adhesive cover strip should be sealed with a hot air welder. This installation is now complete.